Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi Mi Bedside Lamp 2 and I'm going to show you how you can change colors on this device. So we got two methods. The first one, we can make it straight on this control panel. So when you tap on this button, you can change the warm and the brightness level. We got the three options. Here we can change the brightness level. Also, when you click and hold this button, you are able to change between multiple colors. Currently we are on the blue. We can go for the red, orange, green, blue, purple. Yeah, and that comes around. You can also make the flow settings when you open the Mi Home application and select your bedside lamp. So when you go for the flow, you will get here the multiple colors that change automatically and looks like the RGB lighting in your PC, for example. You can here adjust the brightness level. As you can see, if you want to turn off this flow, you can just go for the straight color like here, and you can adjust the color by moving this slider. You can also go only for the white one, where you can adjust the warmth of the white color. You can turn it off by tapping right here. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.